Hello everybody, Mountain RC here. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and as always, I appreciate all the support. In today's video, we are featuring the maiden flight of a Freewing F-14 Tomcat. This is a twin 64mm EDF jet running on a 5000 6S Admiral battery. It's also running on a Spectrum radio and receiver. I'm well aware that this plane has been pretty divisive in the community. Some people have really liked it. Some people have had some issues with it. Some of the issues that have been reported is with the swept wing retracting and then moving back into the outward position. Some people have also reported having some gyro issues, that it was reversed. And as you will see in this flight, that is exactly what happened to us. Should have checked it on the pre-flight, but unfortunately we didn't. The travel on the gyro was backwards, so we quickly turned it off and got the plane landed so that we can make the adjustments. Lesson learned. Nobody got hurt. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Good luck, dude. You're good. This just screams for an afterburner.
Oh yeah. Taking off. Landing right to left. Wow, that gyro's killing me. Yeah, I don't like that shit.
Yeah. Well, you can shut the gyro off if he doesn't want it. I don't know if you set it up though on a switch.
Wow, this gyro's light.
Good.
So I'm gonna land.
Landing. Well, we were safely able to get this F-14 Tomcat to the ground. We took it back for a post-flight analysis to see what was going on. We determined that the gyro elevator plugs were reversed and needed to be switched, which corrected the issue. So just make sure that when you are setting up your F-14 out of the box that you take a look at that and make sure that all your gyro throws are going in the correct direction to avoid any kind of weird happenings up in the sky. Well, that will do it for today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed the flight. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mountain.